Dang it. Should have planned this a little bit better. There we go. Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to extend a huge heartfelt thank you to Jerms MRE. He's right here. I'll link it in the description, of course, but he sent me an email and he offered to edit my videos for me. So tomorrow's video, Cast on Wednesday, is actually going to be edited, not just recorded and then uploaded, you know, raw. It did work. I wasn't happy with the audio, but that's probably just me being overly critical. So, good dude. Link will be in the description. If you want to do me that favor, at least go over and check out his some of his videos. Good dude, real good dude. So he said I didn't have to do a video and thank him, but how could I not? I mean, it's like, dude hooked me up solid, because, you know, I'm not able to get out anymore like I used to, so I figured I at least had my Cast on Wednesdays, even though they kind of hurt to do them because of my stupid leg, which I wish I could just cut off and replace with a bionic one. But yeah, so actually bionic leg would be pretty cool. But yeah, so thank you, Jerms. Really appreciate it. Appreciate that, brother. I really do. And I hope everyone enjoys Cast on Wednesday tomorrow, and have a great rest of your week. We'll see you tomorrow with the video. Alright, peace.